Now, what is a landing page? Basically, a landing page is different from a website, where a landing page is a single web page designed to drive visitors for a single action, to take a single action. Now, example of a great and good landing page, Netflix. You all watch Netflix, right? Who doesn't watch Netflix here today? So Netflix is, if you don't know Netflix, Netflix is, of course, online video streaming platform, right? And basically, this is their landing page. It's effective because if you look at the landing page right here, right? If you look at this one, let me just draw this one here. There's nothing you can do except to click on this big button here. Nothing else you can do, right? All you can do is just click on this big button and get started, or click here, sign in, right? Why don't they put an About Us page? Hey, we are Netflix, the biggest company in the world for web streaming. They don't do that. They have no time to do it because nobody wants that, right? People want to get the main benefit immediately. So that's a landing page. A landing page is designed to drive visitors to take a single action. In Netflix example, I want you to click on this button and get started. That's what I want to do in Netflix, right? Now, the problem with a lot of business owners is they come up with a beautiful website, right? That has 1,000 buttons there, right? And nobody knows where to go, right? So the problem is when you build sites on landing page, think of things like Netflix. How do you create a page that is designed your visitors or your readers to take a single action? Now, that's a landing page, and that's going to be effective for people, all right? Now, this is another example of a landing page. This is, if you land on this page, what can you do? Nothing else. You can probably see you can probably see like this thing in the middle, right? And click on this thing. Let's do this, right? Maybe you want to click on the pricing to see the pricing, blog, or log in. But you can see it's so small. And the biggest thing on the screen is this. So this is what we call a landing page. A landing page is designed to get users, to get visitors to do a single thing, one thing only. And the one thing is tied to your goal. Do you want to collect leads? Do you want to sell something? Do you want to create engagements? It's up to you and your business goals as well. Another example, I know a lot of you uses Dropbox as well. Now, Dropbox has also a great landing page. When you come on this page here, what can you do, right? Do you read about Dropbox? No. You basically sign up and get started immediately, right? So that's what the landing page is. Now, we also build landing pages. So this is one of our landing pages. So they can basically just go and click on that button right now, right? Nothing else, no distractions. So landing pages are effective because there's nothing else a visitor can do. They cannot click on the menu bars. They cannot click on something else here and there. They don't get distracted. It skips all the nonsense that nobody cares about. And it offers an instant benefit or desire and drive people to one single goal only. And today, you're going to build a landing page right now. All right? And in fact, Google page is one seriously good landing page. When you go to google.com, if you're on your desktop, go ahead. Google.com, what do you see? Only one thing to do, nothing else. All right? Now, some of you are going to say, why not build a website? Some people tell me to build a website these days. I need to build a website during this MCO period, right? Now, I'm not saying that website is bad. You should actually build a website eventually, but building a website takes time, right? And I understand a lot of business owners need cash right now. You are tied down, right? Things are getting tighter and tighter. You need cash right now. You have no time or luxury to go on with a full-fledged website. Again, I'm not saying a website is bad, but I'm talking about speed here. All right. And a website has no focus. It's like a flyer. If I take my website and give you a website, you're going to say, what is this for? Right? It's a flyer. Nobody wants to see a flyer. People want people to tell them what to do. All right. So we can leave websites for later. We don't need websites right now. Okay. So leave websites for later. We're going to focus on building a sales page landing page right now. And some of you will say, oh, do I really have to build a landing page? Do I really have to build a website? Can I just post something on Facebook and sell immediately? Yeah, you can, right? You can do that. But the problem with Facebook is that people on Facebook are not looking to buy, right? Most people on Facebook, they are super bored. They just go to Facebook to scroll on things and pass their time. They're stuck at home. What else can they do? Go to Facebook, see what their friends are doing, see what their friends are cooking, see what they can comment on and share on. And that's what they're doing, right? But people don't go to Facebook looking to buy things, right? When they buy something, they normally buy it outside of Facebook. And I'm sure all of you experience that as well, right? And when you go on Facebook, especially like the guys, you get distracted by attractive photos, right? The ladies, you also get distracted by attractive photos on Facebook. So there's a lot of distractions on Facebook, right? And how often can you post stuff like that? I'm sure you've seen this. If you're a marketer, you probably come across stuff like this. Want to learn how to bring a business online in 4 days? Comment down here and I'll send it to you. You can do that. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but how often can you do that? And how many times can you do that over and over again, right? Okay, so digitalkid.org is in fact a landing page. So when you sign up for this training, you went to this landing page, you click on that big button there, the yellow button, something pops up, and you put in your email, right? So that's a landing page. And basically with this quick landing page, with this quick little action here, we've collected a lot of leads, in fact, right? We're not selling to you, but I'm just telling you that we have collected a lot of leads. This was a screenshot yesterday when I was preparing my presentation here. So we had at peak, a 97 conversion rate. What that means for people who do not know is that out of, you can see the numbers here, the numbers, oops. So we have a number here. Can I see that? The 341. Now, out of 341 views we get on our page, we got a 332 conversion, and that gives us a 97% conversion rate. Now, that is unheard of if it comes to websites. A website can never get that kind of conversion rate on a page, right? So out of 341 people who visited the page, we got 332 people who click on that button and sign up for this training today. So this is the power of a landing page or sales page. Whether you're collecting leads, whether you're selling something, you would expect to see a higher conversion rate when it comes to building a sales page and landing page because it's so focused. Yeah. Anyway, this was taken yesterday. The numbers are much higher. Of course, to be fair, we also posted a few Facebook posts that directed people to the landing page. When you have a landing page, it's not good enough to just have a good landing page, right? You would have to direct people to the landing page itself. So what we did is we posted things like some Facebook posts. So I started putting out a post like this on Facebook, right? And say, hey, since the MCO is extended, I know a lot of business owners are going to have to go online and, hey, join me on this training. And this is a link that goes straight into that landing page that you sign up for. That's how it works, right? I also posted out a video, and you can see the link here. It leads straight into the landing page again, right? The conversion is done on the landing page. It's not done on Facebook, right? Facebook is just a way I pull in people, right? And of course, we also got some mentions from people who begin mentioning about this post, the initiative you're doing. And if your offer is great, right? If whatever you have to offer to your people is great, naturally you'll see people coming to your landing page and signing for it.